Why would you go in there? He'll kill you.
I want to see for myself.
Suit yourself, Captain. Wait, you're okay.
There you go.
Good morning, sir.
I would like a shave.
Certainly, sir. Please sit right over there.
The people must have gotten scared with what happened the other day. It was a good show, wasn't it?
Very good show.
I could sworn I'd seen him in the courtyard. He was near about to behead some rebels. Oh. Go. I heard the thump. And do this, like go like this.
I would like to catch a nap, but there's a lot to be done tonight.
A firing party?
Something of the sort, but slower.
Taurus doesn't know I'm his enemy. I cannot keep my thoughts in order. I'm a revolutionary, not a murderer, and it would be easy to kill him. He deserves it. Or does he? No, I could cut his throat. He wouldn't even have time to moan. And so, which will it be? Murderer or a hero? My fate hangs on the edge of this razor.
They said that you would kill me. I came here to see if that was true. But it's not easy to kill. I know what I'm talking about.